to face your fears and overcome them. You are stronger than you think, braver than you feel, and capable of more than you can imagine. So don't give up, even when the road ahead seems uncertain. Keep pushing forward and know that success is just around the corner. And when you finally reach it, you look back on those struggles and realize that they were the catalyst for your greatness. All this pain and suffering, all this trauma and hurt, all this all these demons inside you are what make you you. All this pain and suffering is what makes you you.